Good morning, guys. Saving with Shay. I am at CVS for my CVS haul for you guys for this week. I had to push this video to Monday because I got so behind on Saturday with trying to get the video edited before we went out to the beach that I had to wait till I got back, and it was so late when I got back. I don't think I edited that video till it had to be after midnight by the time I got around to editing it, so that's why it didn't go up till Sunday morning. And so it had to push CVS's video. So this is our second week rolling extra care bucks, doing multiple transactions, smaller transactions to lower the out-of-pocket so that you pay less, which is always the goal, right? To pay less. And so this is gonna be really good for those of you who don't have a lot of extra care bucks, who don't have a lot of money to start with, and you can really still be able to get some really awesome deals, paying very little out of pocket. And so I have quite a few deals to share with y'all. I'm hoping that everything's in stock. My goal is to do probably 3 transactions. I do have my care pass that I'm gonna be using today, so that'll bring it down to $5 just to start with. But hopefully if they have everything in stock for my first transaction, we'll pay that $5. Well, the cost of it was $5. We'll get back $13 and then do another transaction, and then hopefully be able to burn on the last transaction. As you guys know, every week with this, my goal is to start with no extra care bucks and to leave with no extra care bucks. But because I have the care pass, I want to go ahead and just use it. And so that's the goal for today. If you're new here though, this is your first time seeing this lovely face, go ahead and take a second to subscribe. Also make sure you smash the like button, support your girl. So because it's getting hot as heck and I'm already starting to get a little shiny, a little glistening, let's head in the store and see what kind of awesome deals that we can grab today. Alright guys, so the first deal is always going to be the deal that's making us money. So we're going to start with this CoverGirl deal. It is buy 3 get back 9, and I'm so low-key I wish I would have saved at least one of my $4 CRTs from last week. I would have made this a really sweet deal, but it's still going to be a money maker anyway. So we're going to go ahead and grab the pencils. They're the cheapest ones. They're priced at $4.99. We're going to grab 3 of these. The total is going to be $14.97. We're using 3 of the coupons from our inserts. That'll bring your total down to you paying $5.97. You'll get back the 9. Making this a $3.03 moneymaker. Alright, so the next 2 deals that we're going to do are going to be on the Garnier Fructis and the Garnier Whole Blends. For the Fructis, it's 2 for $8, and it's also buy 2 get back 2. We're going to grab 2 of them. We'll be using the $3 off of 2 from coupons.com. There's also a digital as well that's going to glitch with that. You'll end up paying 2 and getting back 2, making that free. Same deal with the Whole Blends. And for that, we're going to be using a 3 off of 2 printable right there from coupons.com. Also going to glitch with that digital right there. We'll end up paying 2 and getting back 2, making those free as well. These larger ones are the more expensive ones. They do work for this deal as well. They only have conditioners. I think I'm going to go ahead and just grab a couple. I really like to buy them in sets, but I figured why not? And so, yeah. Okay guys, so that was the first transaction. There goes the Garnier Fructis, there goes the Whole Blends, there goes the CoverGirl. Again, if you want to make sure that both are going to glitch on one transaction, scan the Whole Blends first, then the coupon, have them total it, and then go back in and continue scanning the rest of the stuff. I've done that and it's always worked for me. And so for this, we did have both digitals come off. Alright, and then there goes all of our coupons. I used my $10 care pass, and then we got back 2 for Whole Blends, 2 for the Fructis, and 9 for the CoverGirl. So we got back 13 going into our second transaction. So yeah. Alright, so I was gonna do Clairol, but I don't have the digital on my on this card, so I'm just gonna skip that deal. I might do it later this week. We're gonna do the Colgate deal. It's buy 2 get back 5, limit of 2, so you can buy 4 get back 10. And they're on sale for $4.99. So we're gonna grab 2 of the toothbrushes, which you can never have too many of, and then we're gonna come over here and we're gonna be grabbing 2 of the bottles of mouthwash as well. So the total for all 4 is going to come to $19.96. Now I do have 3 off 18 CRT I'm going to use. There's also 5 off of 3 digital as well. I wish I had another coupon, but I don't. And so we're gonna end up paying $11.96 out of pocket, but we'll get back 10, making them only 49 cents each. All right, so the next deal that I'm gonna do with this transaction, I was really hoping for one that was gonna be a little lower out of pocket so that I could just roll the 13 from our first transaction and just not pay much out of pocket, but I can't. So we're gonna go ahead and do this Dove deal. It's buy one, get one 50% off. It's also buy two, get back two. So the first one is gonna be $9.49. That second one is gonna be $4.75. The total for two is going to be $14.24. We're going to be using a BOGO coupon, which is right there, which should take off the $7.99. Yeah. There's also $2 digital right there. I'm not sure if it's going to glitch. If it does, then we'll end up paying $4.25 out of pocket. We'll get back to an extra care bucks, and then we also have $2.50 back on Fetch reward, so it would end up being a 25-cent moneymaker. If that 2 doesn't come off, then it'll be a net cost of what, like $2.25, I want to say. And so, yeah, well, here's what this transaction, our second transaction, looks like. I did not get the glitch with the $2 Dove, and so yeah, so we paid $2 more than I wanted to, but I mean, hey, I mean, it's always like you never know unless you try it. So there goes the Colgate at the very top, there goes the Dove deodorant, and then there goes the BOGO coupon, the digital, and the CRT off of the Colgate. I'll roll the 13 from the previous transaction, so total was $5.20. So first transaction technically cost us $5 because we used the Care Pass. This one is $5.20, so we're already tapped out on how much I can spend out of pocket now. I'm actually 20 cents over. But I do walk away with 12 in extra care bucks, plus we got $2.50 on Fetch. I had to correct my receipt, which I've had to do doing the Dove deal. And so we have a total of $14.50 now, so I'm gonna see if I can probably try to do some type of household deal to burn this. And so, yeah, I'm trying to try to squeeze out a household deal, but it doesn't seem like they have one. Just the what is this, the Cottonelle. So and if I get 2 of these, I think there's $1 digital for one, and then maybe Shop Me or Alexa for the other one. I think it still would be like, what is that, 21, like 18 out of pocket. So it would raise where I'm at now. Right now I'm at 10.20, and if I do that deal, it's gonna add another like $4 to it, and it'll actually be 14. So I'm gonna just do something else that I could really use right now, and that's Ziploc bags. I don't have any more gallon bags, and so I have so many of the sandwich size ones. So I'm gonna go ahead and grab some of these. They're on promotion right now. It's spend 15, get back 5. So yeah, so I'm gonna grab 3 of them, priced at $5.19. 3 of them is gonna come to $15.57. I'll roll in the 12. I have an extra care bucks, plus we'll go ahead and roll the $2.50 from Fetch. So we'll roll $14.50. We'll pay $107 out of pocket. So it's gonna raise where we're at now, which is $10.20 by $1.07. So we'll be at $11.27, and then we'll walk away with the 5. We'll roll the 5 on probably a cereal deal because that's a rebate on Ibotta. Okay, so we're over here on the cereal aisle. We have a lot of different offers on Ibotta for cereal. The highest rebate, based on the ones that are on sale, is gonna be, I believe it's the Lucky Charms. Yeah, 75 cents. All the other ones are 50 cents. Well, as far as the ones that are on sale for $1.99. So I'm gonna roll the $5 from the Ziploc into 3 of these at $1.99. We also have $1. Let me see. I think there's also a digital. So we do have a $1 off of 2. So we're gonna be grabbing really quick. Hold on. We're gonna grab a total of 3 of them at $1.99, and then we're gonna have the $1 for 2. So we'll pay $4.97. So we're gonna roll the $5 from the Ziploc into 3 of these. I'm grabbing 2 Lucky Charms. I probably should just grab 3. I'm only grabbing the Cheerios because that qualifies for another rebate, and then we'll roll the money that we get back from Ibotta for this, and we'll roll that into one of these. At least it'll count for 3 different rebates on Ibotta. That's kind of where I'm going with this. All right, so I'm already in the car. So this was the Ziploc bags. Again, we wrote $12 in extra care bucks from the previous transaction. I also wrote in the $2.50 from Fetch as well. And so it would make the subtotal $1.07 for this one, and then we got back the $5, and then we used the $5 for the 3 boxes of cereal right here. There goes $1 off 2 digital, nothing out of pocket. And then the last one I did was this one here. I was just gonna grab one, but I didn't realize that I had another $1 off 2 digital. So what I did is add another box. So I added the cinnamon toast, so that it would count for another rebate on Ibotta. So basically all of the cereal counted for 4 different rebates on Ibotta. So for this one, I rolled the $2 from Ibotta. So my subtotal was 98 cents, and I got back $1 on Ibotta. So yeah, so when I get home, I'll give you a really quick breakdown of how much everything ended up costing me. Did I go over my 10? Yes, I did. And so I'll see you guys at home for the breakdown. Here is my complete haul for you guys, my $10 challenge haul. For this week, everything went pretty good. I was really hoping for that $2 digital to come off on the Dove deodorant, but it didn't. So I just had the BOGO coupon, which is still not bad. It still made it a pretty decent deal. I think $125 each, which is still an awesome deal. And so everything else worked out good. The cereal counted for 4 different rebates on Ibotta. I probably could have did 5 different ones, and it would have counted for 5 rather than getting 2 boxes of Lucky Charms. But we're okay with how it worked out. What else did I want to say? I did start off with the $10 care pass that we're counting for $5 since that's how much it cost me, which is really cool. So doing these challenges, I'll be able to toss that in at least once a month. And so there's that. Other than that, you guys, everything you see here retails $90.69. I had $43.99 in coupons, CRTs, and digitals, which brought the out-of-pocket down to $46.70. Now, because we did do a total of 5 different transactions, we rolled $34.50 in extra care bucks. Between extra care bucks, Ibotta, and Fetch Reward, we ended up paying $12.20 out of pocket. So I did go over budget by $2.20, which is not necessarily terrible considering last week's haul was like, it only cost me like $2 or something like that. So definitely is not bad. Now, if you wanted to do everything on one transaction, and you do have the extra care bucks for it, you would end up paying like $51, $52 out of pocket. And then you would walk away with what you're supposed to get for each of the deals. So it would still work out to be the same. It's just you're paying a higher out of pocket, but you're walking away with extra care bucks. And so this is a good technique to lower your out of pocket. Now, I know that everybody may not be able to do a lot of transactions, but it is something that you can do throughout the week if you need to. Other than that, you guys, I'm going to leave it there. I hope you guys are having the most amazing day night whenever you're watching, wherever you're watching from. And I will see you next video. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.